EUP down 66.23%. This is Tuesday, the 21st of October 2025, pre-market session. In the post-market session of today, as a matter of fact, in this pre-market session, plunged all the way down to $4.15. It's still trading, okay, has recovered somewhat from those lows. So the stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. The algos was actually expecting that this was going to happen. Yeah, I was actually expecting that this was going to happen. Okay, we'll find out why it happened, and then you probably already know. Okay, so let's not read a lot of meaning into this. We can only take the projections. This is because this chart is not active right now. It's just it was active yesterday in the regular session. So projections are currently saying it has lost. Okay, it's all the way down. So we have 15.54, 13.3, 11.92, 17.61, 20.79, 22.75. But all of these are now premiums, very high premiums to the current price of $5 and some fraction, $5.2. Yeah, it lost 66%. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. And lower prices are indeed still expected to keep printing. Let's have a look and see if we can actually see where it's pointing to. Yeah, let's see. Lower prices are expected to keep printing. Okay. We can minimize this. Okay, it's expected to keep printing at least up till midday tomorrow. So about the close of tomorrow's trading session. Then after that, we might see a bounce. We might see a bounce. Let's see if I can minimize this. Let's see if I can minimize it. Yeah. Okay. You see what I mean? Yeah, not even. Yeah, okay. Well, it's expected to, yes, up till the close of tomorrow's trading session. Then after that, a bounce is expected uh, up till the next trading session, up to the close of the next trading session, which will be the 23rd of October, Thursday. Then after that, further decline. So it's not positive at all. Not the algos are not suggesting anything positive at all. Yeah. Okay, let's reapply the indicators. So in the meantime, let's see what we have going on with the stock.
Neuphoria Therapeutics Inc., NASDAQ NEUP, experienced a dramatic sell off, dropping over 60% after announcing that its phase 3 trial for BNC 210, targeting social anxiety disorder, SAD, failed to meet its primary endpoint. Specifically, the Affirm 1 trial did not demonstrate a meaningful reduction in subjective units of distress scale SUDS scores from baseline. Secondary endpoints also fell short, although the drug retained a favorable safety profile, which could be relevant if Neuphoria pivots or repurposes its compounds. Immediate company response: Discontinuation of SAD program. NEUP will halt development of BNC 210 for social anxiety, a move that signals a clear shift in R&D focus. Cash conservation: the company plans to reduce expenditures and manage its burn rate while reviewing strategic options to maximize shareholder value, potentially including partnerships, asset sales, or licensing. Strategic review: investors will be closely watching any announcements that outline potential next steps, including potential collaborations, repurposing of assets, or pipeline diversification. Market and community reaction: the biotech community had been highly active around NEUP, speculating on a potential spike similar to other low float, high volatility biotech plays like SPRB if results had been positive. Even after the failure, some traders note positive factors. Merck partnership: past collaborations could create optionality for NEUP assets in other indications. Extended cash runway provides a buffer for restructuring, exploring partnerships, or potential asset licensing. Trader considerations in the interim: 1. High risk volatility play. With stock down 60%, NEUP's low float could generate sharp short term price swings, particularly if news on partnerships, asset sales, or pipeline shifts emerge. Risk. Further downside is possible if investor sentiment remains negative or the strategic review takes time. 2. Speculative event driven trades. Watch for announcements from the strategic review, such as licensing deals, collaborations, or new clinical programs. Traders may position for spikes around these updates, but timing and sentiment are critical. 3. Option strategies for risk management. Long term options, leaps, puts, calls, could allow traders to speculate with defined risk. Spreads may mitigate downside while still offering leverage if a catalyst emerges. 4. Avoiding near term exposure if risk averse. The failure of a pivotal phase 3 often leads to sustained downward pressure. Conservative investors may prefer to wait until the company outlines a clear post SAD plan. 5. Monitoring comparable biotech outcomes. Similar small cap biotech failures sometimes recover through pivoted programs or acquisitions, though this is rare and highly speculative. Summary. While NEUP is currently under pressure due to its phase 3 failure, its low float, tight market cap, and remaining partnerships make it a potentially volatile short term trade. Traders should carefully weigh risk tolerance against the possibility of news driven rebounds or strategic shifts. Caution is advised, as the stock could remain depressed if no near term catalysts emerge.
Okay, so the price pressure momentums, as you can easily imagine, the 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish. Yeah, they are severely bearish, but are people buying? Are they buying the deep? Let's see. I don't think. Let's see whether they are, whether the selling pressure is accelerating. Yeah, it has accelerated. Yeah, it has accelerated. But yeah, expect lower prices as just as the extrapolation is saying. But keep your eye on the stock. It may lower prices will continue to print as well, but an opportunity may emerge at some point. An opportunity may emerge at some point. Yeah, we haven't seen anything lower than we haven't been able to see much lower prices. But I would say, yeah, expect lower prices, much depressed prices. But at the same time, it could also bounce. It's a low float stock. They could decide to pounce on the stock and force it up. So let's see how things go. But it's for now. I don't think it's a buy. It's not this deep is not a buy. It doesn't mean that people are not going to buy it anyway. We could try and have a look at one of these indicators, squeeze momentum indicator. Let's have a look and see what it's going to say. Squeeze momentum indicator. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, it's saying as things stand right now that but it's for those who are short on the stock. It's opening. It's indicating that they can trade the stock. This is to short the stock. So there's an opportunity for those who want to short the stock. That's what is just being indicated here. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart to see what it's saying. On the 1 hour chart as well too, there's an opportunity there. You can see these crosses here. They're gray. It's maybe not be may not be visible for you on the screen, but it's indicating that it's if you want to trade the stock, I think lower prices may continue to print, just as the extrapolation is indicating. Yeah, but just be careful out there. I wouldn't even. I mean, if you don't know how to trade it, just better leave it. Wait for what looks like a reasonable bottom. Okay, so see what you make of NUEP, and thank you very much for watching this video.